Hi everyone. Since the decision was made to not have school on May 1st and May 4th, I wanted to just send this little ad on so we can kind of wrap up the end of April, and then we will kick off everything new on May 5th with all of our online distance learning. So, a couple things to talk about that we need to wrap up, and the first one is our caterpillars. So we want to get those finished up, and we are working on is our little chunk that we're using today. So let's take this letter F and let's go fun. There's one of our words. And then we can take letter R. Here we go. Run. Fun and run. And let's try S. Here we go. Sun. So you will have all of your words. Fun, run, and sun. So today you need to take out the black piece of paper and do your last job. So Mrs. Oberg has a little sample. I want you today to take your black square and I want you to cut it so that it's a smaller circle than the rest, okay? So let me show you. Let's put, we'll put A right next to it. So I'm just going to put it in comparison. So make your little caterpillar's head. When you cut out the black scraps, don't throw them away. Recycle them and use them for his antennas. And then you can just make some little eyes on your caterpillar and get all of your words glued together to make your big fat caterpillar, and then practice reading all of those words to someone in your house, to a stuffed animal, to another stuffed animal, because these are all important words that we can use our sound power to figure out. Remember how we did it, and on those tricky ones on the on, remember, see if you can figure out those two that didn't have sound power. All right, so that will wrap up our caterpillars. And then we need to take a peek at our weather graph. You can pull that out today. Analyze how many days were sunny. Write the number behind it. How many were cloudy? How many had snow? Boo! How many had rain? And then my weather graph analysis. You look at all of your information and you decide how you want to tell somebody else about April's weather. Maybe you want to draw a picture that shows tally marks and a sun above it for however many sunny days there were. Maybe you want to do it for each of the different weather types. Maybe you want to write a sentence that says, April had 2 snowy days. I don't know how many you have on your calendar or on your graph, but analyze your data and record your information. And that will wrap up all of our April work that we had. So have fun, finish it up, and I will see all of you back on May 5th to wrap up the rest of our learning in kindergarten. Thanks, everyone.